Clouse. Your next client's here with Oscar. She tried to bribe me $5 not to tell you that he's gained 5 pounds. She said you'd scold her for him being fat.
Wait, I never use the F word.
I don't think it makes a difference. You know the clients think you're a weight Nazi, right?
Yeah, I know, but you know why I always talk to clients about this, right? It's because it's so important for them to have a healthy weight so they can live a healthy life.
Well, I know pets being too heavy can lead to joint pain and injury.
Yeah, and recently it's been discovered that fat tissue is actually biologically really active. It creates hormones and chemicals that increase inflammation and enhance pain and joint injury in pets.
I thought it was just wear and tear on the joints from the additional weight.
Yeah, that's part of it, but there's also other things. Overweight pets also have increased rates of cancer, urinary tract disease, and diabetes, especially in cats. It also can lead to heart disease and airway disease.
Aren't overweight pets more likely to have overheating in hot weather too?
Yeah, they sure are. Maybe we need to discuss what we can tell our clients so that they can do something about and get some of this weight off of their pets.
Okay.
So first, overweight pets need to be examined. We need to look at them from a physical exam standpoint. We need to do some labs to see if they're hypothyroid, if they have Cushing's disease. These are hormonal diseases that can make it really easy to gain weight and also harder to lose weight.
And that's when we have to talk about diet and exercise, right?
Yeah, and we have to feed the right number of calories. You know, the food companies always recommend feeding amounts for really active, athletic pets, and it's almost always too much for our house pets. We also have to really watch feeding table foods and snacks because it's hard to count calories that way. And few of our pets get enough exercise to really burn these calories.
We always recommend feeding at intervals, like 2 or 3 times a day, and measuring the amount fed in measuring cups.
Yeah, that's right. Pets that are free choice fed always get too many calories. They're always heavy. And for cats, we recommend canned foods only because canned foods have lower levels of carbohydrates. Cats' little livers don't deal with carbohydrates well, and cats don't metabolize them so that they become obese more easily.
And don't most cats only need 200 calories a day?
That's right, Alicia.
We have a great metabolic and mobility diets too when reducing the amount fed doesn't work.
Yeah, and you do a great job of going over that with clients. So, we're being good caretakers for our patients by talking about this and not weight Nazis, right, Alicia?
Yes, Dr. Clouse.
Well, maybe we better go see Oscar.